and today I'm going to be talking about the combination of tretinoin and salicylic acid. So these both are Indian pharmacy product, and here I have tretinoin in gel form, and here I have the salicylic acid in gel form. So if I'm talking about gel formulations, I am targeting oily skin type or combination skin or else acne prone skin. The gel can be used for the normal skin type, but it can be a bit drying. As it's a gel form, it is mostly designed for the oily skin type or the people who produce more sebum. So recently I had got a question regarding how to treat the clogged pores or else someone who is suffering from blackhead problem and also have a glow on the face. So the combination of salicylic acid as well as tretinoin can be quite potent and promising to cure these problems. If you're someone who has extreme sebum production and you always feel greasy or you always feel like you have been sweating and your skin feels very heavy because of the sebum, then you can use this combination to get the best result. How does salicylic acid and tretinoin work together? Let me help you with the science. So the tretinoin, when you apply at nighttime, so it removes the dead skin layer, it's exfoliating, and it's also triggering the cell turnover. So the new skin cells are coming on top of your skin. So that is why you feel like you're having a nice glow, and you also have a nice rigid shape to the skin. Why? Because tretinoin also improves the collagen production, which gives the rigid shape to the skin. Now what about salicylic acid? Salicylic acid, you can use it at daytime as well as nighttime, but in combination to tretinoin, I would suggest the people who are using this combination to use salicylic acid in the morning time. So when you wake up, you cleanse your face and you apply salicylic acid. Applying salicylic acid will improve your sebum production. It will also improve the collagen production, and also it will remove the dirt and debris that have been accumulated in the pores. So when you apply salicylic acid, it goes and targets by loosening up the dirt and debris in the pores. In some studies, it has been also shown that it improves the acne prone condition, especially 2% of salicylic acid. But here with me, I have 1% gel. So it can be useful as well, because salicylic acid ranging from 0.5% to 2% does the same job. So it doesn't really matter like you're using the lower concentration of salicylic acid or the higher concentration of salicylic acid. But yes, the results might differ, but 1% is working amazing on the skin. It helps with my glow on the face. It removes the dead skin layer. As it's a beta hydroxy acid, it's quite gentler as compared to the alpha hydroxy acid. And I'm a big fan of salicylic acid. So the next question is how to use this combination. It is quite simple. As I mentioned while talking about salicylic acid as well as the tretinoin, I said that you can use this combination in such a way, like in the morning time you can use salicylic acid by cleansing your face, and then after that using this on your targeted areas, whether it be your nose area, your T-zone area, or just all over your face. So you can apply this, let it sit on your skin for good 1-2 minutes, and then apply your moisturizer, and then top it up with SPF 50 sunscreen. So at the night time, how you're gonna use the tretinoin? Now, tretinoin is very drying, so you need to be very careful by applying tretinoin. So here with me, I have lower concentration, but there are different concentration of tretinoin that has been prescribed to you. So you can use it by cleansing your face and then letting it dry a little bit. Applying tretinoin on the damp face can be quite reactive, so I would suggest to dry your face a little bit and then use a pea-sized amount of tretinoin and apply it all over your face. And then after that, top it up with the moisturizer. You can either use it as a sandwich method where you cleanse your face, then you apply moisturizer, then you apply the pea-sized amount of tretinoin, and then apply it again with the moisturizer. Both of them work wonders. But my suggestion is that you just dry your face a little bit and apply tretinoin. It does really good job, and it is not that reacting and doesn't burn that much the next day. Usually doctor prescribe salicylic acid and tretinoin together in a combination. Even at the nighttime routine, they can use these two together. But I believe that these two ingredients are quite different. They have their own purpose, so they should be used in different timings, not together, because you wouldn't know which is giving what result, basically. But as a gel face formulation, I again repeat it by saying that if you're dry skin type or normal to very dry skin type, you cannot use gel formulations, usually because they are lightweight and they don't have moisturizing benefits. But if you are someone who is ranging from normal to oily acne prone skin, then you can use the gel based formulation. So yeah, that is pretty much it about the salicylic acid and tretinoin combination and how to use it to get the best results. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section below, or else reach out to me on my different social media handles. And make sure that you like this video and also share this with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel because it helps me as an influencer and as a YouTuber to grow. So yeah, thank you very much for watching again. I'm gonna see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.